Summer mornings in the countryside feel slower, quieter. The kind of slow where you notice the light, the air, and all the little things waiting for your attention. I started the day watering my plants and repotting some of them and planting some sweet potatoes on the side. It's always my favorite part of the mornings. It's such a small act, but somehow it feels grounding. I love helping things grow in my own way. I know I don't always get it right, but I'm happy to go through all this process. I'm very excited that I was able to make this bread. It really is so good. I could have used a smaller pan, but it turned out really good. I was quite nervous with the consistency because it was quite sticky and runny. It is a result of the flour that I used. I think a learning curve for next time, I'm gonna use a different flour. I am going to use a bread flour because I used a normal flour, a type 480, which I guess was not a good idea because it started off being sticky from the very beginning. Another thing is it's quite hot right now in the countryside as well. And I think it was overly proofed. It just started bubbling quickly. Not sure if this is a good or bad idea, but it happened. So I'm quite excited with how it turned out in the end. It is an eatable sourdough that I made on my own, and I'm very excited about that. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this. Let me know what you're trying to make. This is my first sourdough, so I know that there's pretty much a lot of things that I will still pick up and learn in the process. I'm actually curious, what is it that you're currently learning? What are you trying to learn? I'm constantly learning. I don't like being stagnant and not knowing stuff. I'm always trying out new stuff. I'm always trying to improve myself. I feel like there's a lot of things that one can learn, especially in this digital age where everything is almost accessible. I love this platform so much because there's so much you can learn here. So let me know what you are currently learning. How's that going? What are the lessons that you're drawing from it? This week I went to Vienna for a plant sale called Plant for Alle. I always end up bringing home a mix of some big plants and small plants. I never really stick to one size of plant or type, but I guess the easy to maintain kind of plants are better for me. I'd recorded myself talking through what I got, but my mic wasn't working that day, so I'll just show you quietly instead. Once I got back at home, I spent some time repotting a few of them and giving them a fresh soil and a new start. So I got some English ivy, a fiddle leaf, a rubber tree, a zebra plant, a wild banana, which I can report to you right now that I am struggling to maintain, and it's only been a few days. It doesn't look happy here. Some things in life don't need explaining. You bring something new into your space and quietly it changes the feeling of things. That's how I feel about plants. They grow slowly. They don't ask for much, just light, water, and time. And I think I've been learning the same thing this summer, that growth isn't always loud, that rest is just as valuable as movement. So I'm giving myself a little more of both stillness and care, letting things unfold in their own time. Later, I cleaned up the living room. It wasn't messy, really, but tidying up always helps me feel clearer. It's like I'm making space not just in the room, but in my own head too. Not every day needs to be busy. Sometimes it's enough to just take care of what's in front of you. Plants, a little bread, a quiet room. Thank you so much for spending time with me. And if you'd like to see more of these moments like this, please stick around and subscribe to my channel.